Hey guys, how's it going? How to check search history on TikTok. So first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, okay? And then tap on the three dots or the three lines at the top right corner to open up the settings menu, right? And then go ahead to the settings and privacy. And then you're gonna be able to click right here, privacy, and basically you're gonna see the personalization and data. Look for personalization and then tap clear her search history, right? If you didn't find it, that means that this feature is not available to you yet. And then here you can view your search history and clear it if desired, or you can just go ahead into your home and then click on the search at the top, and you're gonna be able to see your search results and you're gonna be able to delete them. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.